really well.
Yeah, I just think
But then I don't want to wake her up.
no, she's good. Just
Get
wait.
some food while you're okay.
Yes, go take a quick nap.
You know what's funny? It's all. Oh, you're hot. I should turn off.
I turned it off. I just think it's nicer. For sure.
It's all like new again.
No, yeah. She's 9.5.
I mean, she's getting some because she's over there.
Did you get this from the market down by your place? No, from home.
Oh, just, yeah, the bowl of food there.
Yeah. Well, so good piece of bread.
Oh,
Right.
oh, we didn't cut it yet, though.
Oh, I'll just
You know, I tried to send you a message. Not Joy.
Joe, why don't you cut it? Let me cut it first.
They couldn't deliver it with it. I got text on it. Yeah, it says not delivered. And it was early this morning. I tried to send it to you and Joelle. So I couldn't tell.
Yeah, I have stuff stuck on my phone I cannot send. Except in here.
Are you sending it to?
Don't get too close. He said.
You're